One of the first things that I like to do when I get a new Canon camera is to set the control ring on the RF lens. This is something that I want to show you guys in today's video on the Canon R50V, because what I've noticed with Canon is that they actually tend to change the menu slightly. So today we're going to focus on providing the instructions for doing so specifically for this camera, and then I'm going to focus on the lens that I'm using, which is a 16mm f2.8. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have this set to control. Then you want to go ahead and make sure that the camera is in the video camera mode. You want to go to your menu, and then you're going to go to the 6 tab, so customize dials and control ring. Inside of there, you're actually going to go down to the very bottom one. That's the control ring setting, so hit that. And then you can set this to whatever you want. You have a ton of different options. If you want a safety measure, you can actually use the ones that have the down arrow, and then you'll have to hold the metering button and turn this at the same time so that you don't accidentally hit the control ring. I'm gonna go ahead and set it to ISO, and then I'm just gonna show you guys what that looks like. So now it's set, and as I turn it, you should see the ISO jumping in the bottom right-hand corner. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave me a like and subscribe for more content like this. I also have another video that's very similar to this that you can check out just in case you have an older camera like the Canon RP, so check that out here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.